on buses with us. Me and my bros on a mission to leave with your riches, your bitches, and even they clothes. Yeah, I don't know, probably give it to a charity or something. Every girl nowadays wanna marry me or something. Hate that shit, all I needed was a pic, but your ass always sending me a narrative or something. Say the pick of tits, bitch, I ain't even knowing it. Boyfriends hate me and I ain't even noticing. Never tie a girl down, I ain't never roving them. Hella blunts everywhere.
I'm creeping, I'm crawling, and bitches all up on me. Rebecca hit my phone and told me, baby, I'm so lonely. I guess I'm proving me right that I'm a fucking player. And I had a lot of plans that involve babies in a baby stroller. I never date a bitch who know about my past life. I only date a woman who be in my past life. My past wife, my only bitch who love me for my half pipe. Hit it back twice, double back and hit it back nice. Never hit a bitch raw cause I don't trust them, lust them. And if they out of order, I say fuck them. Hit my nigga Stacy and that's Dacia's older brother. I wanna hit that bitch so bad I had to tell her mother, her cousin, or anybody that could put me on with her. And when I make the song that she can hear it, then I bone her. Rip her clothes off, toss her drawers up in the dryer. Wet ass pussy, it's all pink, her pussy lips it I be licking on, sipping and kissing on just to get her horny. Golden legs stretched out, priming like a pony. I'm a gone, and this a classic tone. And I'ma be about this fucking hood like really song. And you can call my phone and we can do it all night. And you can be my bitch and I'm rich, that's right. Drop, lick up on my dick with ice, yeah. You should call my phone and we can do it all night. So I creep, yeah, and I'm with SBG and this hoes in the cream. And my rat-a-tat-tat goes flat. Pop the weasel in the easel with the painting on it represents the ugly. I'm high, coolie, you're horny, so do me. Fuck it, cause now I got a call and you say sue me. Blew me, but it's okay cause I'ma fucking make it. And he gon' keep on cheating and you're crying now he leaving. Zipporah left me, Shushi left me, Seti left me, Rawa. Amber left me, Becca left me, Aurum left me, Mara. Never cry, I never lie, and Mo be acting bitchy. He still be talking about like damn D, I love Rawa. And Wawa is right next to my house so we don't bother. The condoms where we buy them at. And what happened to Mommy and Heron? That girl was super bad, she had me staring. And everybody in this song gon' kill me when they hear this. Fearless, go link the bastard, the most hated. Mosaic, and shout out to my nigga, we gon' make it. And squash till my motherfucking breath leave. Sweat weaving, Shakir chillin' with palm trees. TCB should make a remix with a snare drum. Shook ones, bust a cap and put South Florida on the map. See, I'm a Mac with a Mac 10. Pop, 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 pop. Back bend, no win, no chill. I send for real, I push for real. Free bands, no lie, I kill with ill. Rock motherfucker, West Side motherfucker, La Familia.